going to be doing a viewer subscriber request and doing something with one of the Red Berry Crunchy O cereal. So let's have fun with fuelings. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth and I am living in the light by documenting my 150-pound weight loss using the Optavia 5-in-1 program. I am 140 pounds down it's actually 153 pounds that I want to lose, so I've got about 13 pounds left to go to get to my goal, and I'm so excited to share my journey with you. If you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It will allow you to see the other Optavia related or weight loss related or just healthy eating related videos that I do. And I would also really appreciate if everyone just give this video a thumbs up. It really does support me. It supports my channel, and it also just encourages me on my path. The Red Berry Crunchy O's was something that was in my very first box. Wasn't crazy about it. I've never really been crazy about fruit flavored things that don't actually contain fruit. So it was not something that I was really crazy about, so I didn't order it. And I've been on this program for a whole year. And so it was this last box that I actually decided, all right, I'm gonna order it again because I had a viewer who asked me if I could find a way to use the Crunchy O's other than eating them as cereal. As you know, I don't add anything to my fueling, so when I eat that as cereal, I just eat it dry out of the bag like a snack. I did try a bag the other day, and it is much better than it was before, so my taste buds have altered a little bit, and it doesn't taste as weird to me as it used to. Still not crazy about it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine them with the golden pancake mix, and I'm going to try to make some red berry waffles. So we're going to see how this comes out. This is a complete experiment. I haven't tried this. Usually I try them before, but I thought I'm going to just do this straight up on camera and hope that it comes out. So I'm going to use a bag of the Red Berry Crunchy O's. I'm going to open them up, because I want to make sure that there's room for the things to crunch up a little bit. And I'm just going to beat it with this. I'm going to turn the video off so you're not listening to it, or maybe I'll just mute it, and crunch these up so that it's in small little pieces. Get those stragglers back in there and give it just another little crunch up. There's still some pretty big pieces in there. I could have put this into a Ziploc bag and done it that way, but I didn't want to waste a Ziploc bag just to crunch these up, but feel free to do that. All right, I think that's good. So what I'm going to do is I've got my bowl on the scale. I'm going to zero out the scale. Still have to get new batteries for my new scale that the batteries just died very quickly. So I'm putting it on grams, and I'm just going to weigh this mixture. So I'm going to dump this in there and then add my golden pancake. And I'm going to try, like I said, this is a whole experiment. I'm going to try with 1/4 cup of water to see how that does as far as the mixture goes. So it has it at 120 ounces. And I have a feeling I'm going to need more water than that, because the cereal is just going to suck up all of that water. Yeah, let me see what happens if I do another 1/4 cup. So that's 1/2 cup of water. That put me at 178 ounces. So that's 89, yeah, that's better. That's 89 ounces per half, because remember, I want to make sure that I divide my mixture in half. So let me find 89 grams, not ounces, 89 grams of this mixture, which will be half, almost. There's 89 exactly. All right, and then this remaining, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my waffle maker, plop this in there. My waffle maker is good and hot. It's been on for at least 5 minutes. And let's see how it does. I'm going to give it about 3 minutes to cook, maybe less, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I've got one done, and I'm taking the other one out. So I let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. They're a little lighter on one side than the other, but that's all right. The top side is always lighter. Little piece broke off. Yeah, it kind of tastes like a strawberry waffle. I think that's a great way to use that. You could use either of the cereals. You could use either of the pancakes. The red berry with the chocolate chip might taste a little bit like a chocolate covered strawberry. That might be a really good one to try. So if you're looking for a way to eat up those cereals and you don't like it as cereal, give that a try. Just smush it up. It was a half a cup of water in about 4 minutes per waffle. Perfect. Give it a try. Throw them in the toaster oven. If you put it in the refrigerator to crisp them up a little bit before you eat it. But please give this video a thumbs up. Give this a try. Leave me comments in the comments box down below. What are fuelings that you love absolutely and you would never change a thing about them? And what are some fuelings that you really need a little bit of help with? And I will see if I can come up with something. Until I see you next time, please live in the light.